Alright guys, another video. I hope you're getting a good view. This is Insignia TV. The company, they usually pick up last year brands and wrap up in their name and sell them for affordable price. So this TV was tossed out. So the problem with this TV is it does turn off after a certain time. So it works, the sound works, the screen works, but then eventually in a couple of minutes, let's say working time, the screen turns off, but the sound continue working. So we have a problem probably with one of the main boards on this TV. I have ordered the board, it has arrived, the board is right here. I haven't opened it yet, so I'll actually do it right in front of you guys right now while you're looking at it. Let's take a look what we got. Let's see what kind of board we received, if that's the board, and if we can use it to fix this TV. Let's take a look. So the seal is right here. Let's open it up. There was no boards available in Ontario, so this one came from Montreal. And let's take a look at the condition. Bubble wrap. And here's the board. So it does come with a plate of connectors, which is probably the original part from the TV. Let's take a look if it does match the actual TV. And it does look like it's a matching one. So yeah, two HDMI ports, one USB port, and I got 5 coaxial or whatever they call it component in connections. So we have an antenna here, and here is 2 HDMIs and 1 HD. And just to compare, let me give you a quick review. If you can see here, let's take a look. So this is how it looks. This is the original. Continue my journey with this TV repair. So this is the item that I will be replacing. This is the main board that apparently is malfunctioning this TV. After doing research online, I figure out that should be a board. So here's the board. I've ordered from, I think it came from Montreal, Quebec, somewhere there. Just to compare, it does look like the board is original. I have ordered it using the original numbers, original serial numbers of a TV, and the numbers of the board. So this is going to be my project for today. I will need to replace this board, and hopefully this TV will start working. It does turn off every time you start using it. The sound stays, but the video disappears in a couple of minutes. So hopefully it is the board, and hopefully we can fix it today. So let's continue our journey and let's fix this TV. I hope you have a better look here. Let's take a look. How about this? No? Maybe like something like this. Maybe that would be a good view. With me trying to take this TV apart. I don't know if you can guys see here. This is going to be a little bit better. A little bit angle like that. Alright, so let's put this box on the side. This is our box from the board. Let's put this board back. We don't want to damage it, so yeah. Let's put it back for now, and let's take this TV apart. So I will be removing the screws. Yep, it's a very small screws. Whoa, that's so tiny. I'm gonna use this little bucket right here to put all the screws in. So I would not lose them. I don't know why would you use such a small screws for such a big TV. I understand you're trying to make it a flat screen and stuff, but this is like dangerous. Alright, I'm continuing removing the screws. So if this part is boring, you can scroll forward and I guess see the portion where I replaced the plate or the board. But for now, my very complicated part of the job is to remove all the screws patiently without damaging anything. Alright, it's a little bit complicated. The screws are way too small. Can't even pin it. To the designers of Insignia TV, guys, please start making those TVs easier. I mean, you're probably making them as a one-time user repairable, throw it out kind of style, but guys, some people want to repair their TVs after they stop working or they start malfunctioning. So make it easier for the people of the world to use your technology, your product. Alright, I'm gonna stop complaining and continue unscrewing those screws. And that would be the easy part. I'm still unscrewing them. What about screwing them back on? That would be a challenge for sure. I guess it'll be a next episode. Guys, way too many screws. Looks like this TV got screwed. What's going on here? This is where we're gonna go. Pardon the lightning if you, the light. Pardon my light. It's not really bright in the garage. I'm doing my best filming half inside, half outside. So, a couple more screws here. Alright. Let's make sure we get all the screws before we pull up the plate, otherwise it will not come off. Alright, it looks like that's all the screws. So let's spray and remove the plate. Remove the plastic cover. Okay, alright, got some action. Not all the action, but some action. Maybe some more screws. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. I think there's little ones that are gonna come out too. Let's see. I don't know. It's kind of like way too small. This is eminent. So maybe the screws will need to remove. Yes, guys, I'm talking to myself, and sometimes I'm talking to you. Okay. Alright, we continue our experiment. Okay, I'm might need a couple more screws to be removed. I don't have that little screwdriver, so I'm going to take a break, guys, and go get a screwdriver. This is my little screwdriver, the mini size. Alright, and we need a Phillips. We have little tiny screws right here that I'm assuming are the ones that hold in this plate, because there's no other screws. And they are like super mini super screws. I don't know if you can hold anything with those screws, but voila, they are actually holding the rest of the plate. Yes, the rest of the back. Something else is holding it. Something else is holding it. Alright, let's continue. Let's continue inspecting, see what else we have here that could be holding this plate. That could be holding this back.
Good. I'll see you later.
Very strange. It might be a clip-on, guys. Yeah, it is a clip-on. There we go. Alright, we have some action. We got the back off. Alright. Ooh. Ooh. Goody. Oh, not too much, guys. We only have piece number 1, piece number 2. Okay. So that was a double side tape in here. That was holding the actual back. And we're gonna have to reapply this tape. I guess I have to remove it for now, because what's the use for the tape? That is no good. Woo. We have to get some 3M. But so far what I can see is there's item number 1, item number 2. And I hope that item number 2 is not the cause of the problem. Let me show you closer. So this is the item that I have ordered and I would like to replace, and I hope is the solution for this problem. Oh, nice speakers from this guy, huh? And this is the item number 2 that I hope I don't need to replace, but this resistor transistor plate, whatever it is, doesn't look too good. It looks a little bit cooked up. Hopefully it's not the issue. And this is the issue. So let's remove this piece right here. How we're gonna do it, I'm not sure. Well, actually, it looks like I should do it the same way that the other guy did. Removing all the screws and leaving this plate on, and just removing connector 1, 2, 3, and 4 and replacing this piece. So let's see if I can get a good look right here like that. Let's take a look. Maybe tilt it a little bit. Actually should be good like this. I'll pull it a little bit back, get a better view. And I'll take a quick break so I can prepare the second plate, and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Alright guys, next episode. We're removing this particular plate, and in order to remove this plate we have to disconnect all these connectors without damaging them, since we will need to reinstall a new plate and use the same connectors. So let's take a look. I don't know if you're gonna see a good view right here, maybe like this, maybe a little bit lower, maybe like this. Let's take a look. Can you guys see? I hope you can see. Alright, let's try this way. Now let's try this way. Sorry guys, too much movement. Okay, I'll try to get this one. I tried to get it off a little bit and one side was coming off, so I guess you have to carefully lift it off. Yeah, it works. Lift it up and get it off the pins. There we go. I got one. So this one is going vertically up. Not really worried about this plate. If it's really damaged, I shouldn't be worried about it, but next item. Okay, so we push the pin in and then it comes out. There we go. This one is easy. This one, pushed it in and pull it. And we got this one. And the last one, push and pull. Alright. Got all four out. Now let's remove this plate. And we have, I'll show you what we have. Let's back up a little bit. Like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. We have disconnected 1, 2, 3, 4 connectors. Now we're doing the screws. Most important, do not lose the screws, guys. I would put them separately so you don't mix them up with the other ones, since we have a bunch of small screws now for this TV. And here we go. Plate is off. Let's inspect it. Doesn't look any different from the replacement one, but hopefully it is the issue and we can fix it with replacing this plate. Otherwise we're in trouble. We need to do something else. So this plate is going here and a new plate is coming in for the replacement. And here we go. Here's the new plate. Looks pretty much identical, no difference. So let's set it up where it's originally supposed to be. Screw one. You can see, align the screws. Okay, we align those. And now let's put the screws back in. Excuse my loud neighbors, but it looks like I might need to take a break until they finish their renovations. Otherwise this video is gonna have lots of action, loud action like this. That sounds like a concrete saw, guys. So we continue our repairs and we're connecting back the cables. Cable number one. I would suggest to hold the plate at the bottom because the cables have to click in, and God forbid we break the plate, that will be a disaster. Connection number two. Connected. Connection number three. Ooh. Ooh, that was a little bit of push. I don't know if I should push it that hard. Connection number four. I hope I didn't ruin this connection. Alright, we have connected everything. Obviously it makes no sense if I would be reassembling the TV and checking it. So I have to figure out how to check it without reassembling it. So I think what I would do, I would slide it a little bit off the table. Excuse my neighbors, they're loud. And I'll plug it in and I'll plug something into it. So for example, I have a PlayStation here or something. And I'll let it play and see if it's working, if it works, if that plate actually repaired the problem. So let's do that. Let me move this camera right here. Let me show you what I'm doing. In terms of sliding the TV, I'm going to do it like this so I can see the screen if it's working. Here we go, that should be more than enough. Yep. Now let's plug it in and test it out. So in order for us to plug it in and test it out, I'll need power cable, which I have from this TV, but I also will need a testing unit, which in this case will be our PlayStation. I'm gonna set up a PlayStation right here. Something like that. Something like that. Something like this. Maybe I should move some of this stuff here. Can come right here. Power cable 1, power cable 2. Now we need an HDMI cable. HDMI cable that goes into our input 1 and input 2, which is our replacement plate. So let's run it underneath, and then I might need to bring the PlayStation down closer right here to the floor. All right. We got the electricity. Now let's plug it in and hope for the best. Where is our remote control for the PlayStation? Right, I can see that the back light is on the TV, which is good. Now let's see if we can press power. Whoa! Now backlight is off. Maybe I just turned it off. Okay, let's try it again. Turn it on. Alright, I have a backlight on. Let me show you guys. Can you see? The light is on. This is where the light is. Alright. Let's see if this thing is actually gonna work. I don't know how to show it to you guys, but here's the PlayStation. And let me turn on the PlayStation. On. And let's see what we have here. We have any action here on this TV. The PlayStation is on. Let's see, maybe we need to use an input selection on this TV to get the correct input for the PlayStation. Where's the input? Input right here. Alright, let's see. Input. Nothing. Quiet. Alright guys, let's do like this. Tilt it up. Alright, now I can see something. HDMI 1, HDMI 2. You guys cannot see it, but let me show it to you. Here we go. There we go. Okay, PlayStation is working. Okay. The screen is on. Let's see. Let's start it up. Alright, press X. Alright, the screen is working. Press enter. And it's still on. Oh no, it's turned off, no? No, it's on. Oh, okay, now we are checking and restoring the file system. Okay, so the TV is working. If you guys see from here, it's loading up. So the plate is working, the one I replaced. Now the main question is how long this TV is going to work for. Let's see if we have the result we're looking for, which is the continuous working of the screen. There we go. I'm gonna let it sit for a bit and see if it's actually gonna turn it off itself. Warning, something warning. Okay, the colors are on. The sound is on, which is the main thing. There's no issues here. I can see the backlight is on. Everything is operational. And I think we have success. I'm gonna test this TV out. I'm not gonna run more video, and I guess I'll put an update in the end of this video, in the end of the series, and let you guys know how this TV is performing. But so far as I can see, it's working fine, and I hope it's continue working like that. So maybe I should play some YouTube and let it chill. Then YouTube us for a bit. Okay, how do we do that? Okay, let's do YouTube. How do we do that? Okay, connect that. Okay. Right, there we go. YouTube. Yep. Let's go to YouTube. I know, guys, it looks so weird the way I'm filming this, but it is what it is. It says 1080p 60 Hz, so I guess that's how the TV is working. YouTube is loading. Oh, that told me I have to sign in. Oh no. Just let it work. Okay. I guess I'm gonna have to like figure it out, but just play something. I'm gonna sign in, guys. Just wanna test the TV. There we go. I got something. I'll just let it play for a bit.
We've been missing a voice.
And hopefully it's continue
And
playing.
we don't even know what that is.
So guys, I'm taking a break. Till next video. Thank you for watching.